a few people reach out to me today asking, Miss Oliver, I'm really struggling to find the missing piece when I'm given the volume, especially when I'm given the volume, the length, and the width of something. So let's take a look at this example. We have a bread pan. We know that the bread pan is 3 inches long. I put that into my equation. Volume equals length times width times height. My length is 3, my width is 6, and my height, I don't know, but I do know that my volume is 90. So, in order to find the height, I have to multiply, or not multiply, I'm so sorry. In order to find the height, I have to divide. I'm finding an unknown, so I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide my volume by both my length and my width. So let's divide by width first, okay? I'm going to do 90, and I'm going to divide by 6. You can use standard algorithm. However, some individuals prefer to use their place value chart, and that is okay. Remember, we want to make groups of 6. So how many groups of 6 can I make here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One group. I made one group in my tens place. And now I need to decompose my tens into 1 so I can divide again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each 10 becomes 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and my last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I'm making groups of 6 because I'm dividing by that width, which is 6. So I need groups of 6. So let's get a different color. Let's count our 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Four groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 groups. And there's nothing left to decompose. However, this does not tell me that my height is 15 because I only divided by my width. So now I have to take my answer that I've just gotten, 15, and I have to divide that by my length because I have to divide my volume by both the width and the length. Some of you guys have been multiplying the length and the width together and then dividing, or else you can divide by parts. So I'm going to make this into place value dots, and I'm going to do my equation. I'm making this time groups of 3. So this one we're going to do dividing by 3. And let's find out. Can I make a group of 3 out of one dot? I cannot. So I have 0 groups, and I decompose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see if I can make a group of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. There was nothing left over to decompose. This tells me when I divide my volume and I divide it by 6 and then divide by 3, I'm going to get my height. And when I do all that, my height is going to equal 5. Now you can watch the other video in the slideshow to show standard algorithm division, where I multiplied 3 times 6 first to get 18 and then divided 90 by 18. Either method works perfectly. You just have to keep track of your numbers, and sometimes it is super hard when you have multiple things you have to divide by, but you just have to keep them straight. Here was the volume divided by my width. Then I took my quotient from that and divided it by my length, just like we did up here. And that left me with my height.